project share. I just finished this album in a box. I kind of am in a box mode lately. I've been creating a lot of them, but they're fun, and I made a little mini album that goes in here, and I just wanted to share it with you. I used the Authentique package Alpine, and I got this at the Creative Keepsakes convention that I just went to a couple weeks ago, and it's really a cute paper line, really pretty blues and greens, which happen to be my two favorite colors, and I don't have much of it left. There you can see that that's pretty much, I used the entire package. I didn't use as many stickers as I thought I was going to use, but I did use a lot of the cutouts that came with it. So that's what I used. So my idea for this album was that I was going to make like a Christmas tree shaped box, which is what I did. It stands about 10 inches tall. It's 6 inches wide here, and then it is 5.5 inches deep. And I covered it completely with the pattern paper and made a lid, and it's hard to see the way that this video is, but then I tied a ribbon around the lid, and when you stand it up, it makes a pretty bow at the top of the tree. My Christmas tree, I have a ribbon topper, and so that's kind of where I got that idea from. But anyways, so here's the box. It's just simply covered on the outsides, and then I fussy cut this little guy here who has snowballs. He's having a snowball fight. I used a glitter pen and colored the snowballs to give it a little bit of shimmer, and then I had these felt snowflakes in my stash, and I put those on with some rhinestones, and then the sticker here from the collection, A Chill in the Air. So when you open this, on the inside, I just used one of these stickers here. It says, "We are like a snowflake, all different in our own way," which I really thought was really pretty. But I covered the inside of the box lid, and then inside we have an album. And I just simply covered the inside of the box with solid cardstock here. But then in here we have the mini album that I created with this collection. So this is my design, and I will probably be doing a tutorial on how to make this album here pretty soon, and the box as well. This box would be super cute as not only as an album holder, but it also is like a gift box. You could put candy in it, you could do whatever you wanted. It's a nice little decor piece as well. So I thought it was pretty cute. So yeah, I am gonna do a tutorial. I hopefully will get that done pretty soon. So here's the album. The album has 5 pages, and each page has some different elements on them. Each page is also a pocket, and I've made a card that you could put a 4x6 picture on. And this is a tab punch that I had that I put on underneath the pattern paper, and then I used a snowflake here. And all of the pockets have that, and they're all different, so I can pull them out so you could see all of the different tags. They're all patterned paper on the front, and then they're all white on the back. So those are the tags that I put in the pockets, and then we have the book. So on the front here, this is one of the cut-aparts. I put it on cardstock, and then I raised it with some foam tape. I used some gem dots here and some bling that I had in my stash. I also used some flowers from my stash. And then the binding is just a simple ring binding with one of those little binder rings that you can get at any office store. And then I have a little circle. I used the tab on this one, and I put that in between here, and then used an eyelet to help protect the holes, and then that's how the book is bound. And then I created this little charm out of some pearls that I thought resembled the snowballs, and some pine cones, and then I had this cute little crystal snowflake that I put on there. So I thought that was a pretty dangle for the album. So that's pretty much the first page. And then when you open it up, I'm going to make sure real quick we are in in frame here. So this is a waterfall held by a magnet, and then it just has blank pages, so you can put a lot of 3x4 pictures in here. Use some scraps to put in the spine pieces of that, and then this actually opens up even further to create another big picture opportunity here. So this is kind of a free-floating, freestanding waterfall there. The next page, I created a pocket, and I used 2 of the cut-aparts and just created booklets, just simple booklets. Both of them are the same. Oh, this one opens up this way. I was using scraps, so some of them opened sideways and some of them opened up and down. So then on the next page, I created this giant fold-out. So I backed a sticker here with, or not a sticker, excuse me. This was a piece of the paper collection, and then I used my photo punch and created that edge. And then I went ahead and backed it on cardstock so that you could put a picture behind there. Then it opens like this, and then like this, and then like that, and then we have like a folio, and I took 2 of the cut-aparts, and then I just backed those on cardstock and put in there, but you could fit a full-size picture in there. So I did that, and then on the next page I did a belly band, and I needed a stopper, so I took one of the, I think this was a sticker, and put it on cardstock, and then I just adhered it on the bottom, and then I did a little bit on the belly band too, so that it creates a stopper so the things won't fall through. There's a cut-apart on cardstock, and then they had, this package had a giant cut-aparts, which I thought was really cool. I hadn't seen that recently, so that was pretty neat. So I just created that belly band page there. And then this page here, I kind of envisioned a present, wrapping a present. So I used ribbon, and this opens up here, but this ribbon stays here, and these just slide underneath the ribbon. So again, a nice big cut apart, and 2 of the small cut aparts that I just backed on cardstock, and then they just slip under here, and then you just tie it, and when you tie the bow, it looks like nice little presents. So I thought that was pretty cool. My oven is beeping at me, but it's gonna have to wait just a second. So there you go. And then this page here, I did a diagonal pocket, and then I used some of the smaller pieces of cut aparts that they had and just backed them, and then this cute little tag that I put some extra ribbon on. And then in this pocket here, we have more booklets that I created with the cut aparts. This one, Hot Cocoa, is like a hug from the inside. I like that. This one is not a booklet, it's just matted on cardstock. And then on this next page, I did kind of a double thing here. So this opens up like this. Llama and a penguin, how cute is that? So then it opens up like that, where you could put a nice picture in there, magnet closure, and then it opens up this way and reveals a pocket here. And again, booklets with the cut-aparts. This is a sticker that I matted with cardstock and then just adhered it so you could put a picture underneath. I love this collection. It is so pretty. It is so pretty. And then this last page is a simple pocket here, and again, other little booklets for the cut-aparts. Oops, hang on just a second, sorry. All right, so this is the last page, and this is a sticker that I backed on cardstock, and then I put it on the back page. So that is my book, and again, all of these just go into the pockets. Each one has a top-loading pocket, and then this pretty little album gets housed in its cute little Christmas box. And there you go. So that's my project. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will get a tutorial out, but I just wanted to do a share. I got really excited because this really turned out cute, I think. And so anyway, there you go. I hope you have a good evening, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.